Hello guys, it's your girl Blessing once again, and we are preparing cabbage stew today. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, or if this is your first time coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all the supports. So let's just get right into it. Our tomato paste is already frying nicely, and as you can see, you have to take your time to do this. Take your time to fry this as much as you can, but avoid it getting burnt. Now we'll continue with our natural spice. Yes, the blended ginger, onion, garlic, rosemary, and some few other things are in there. That's the combination for the natural spice. So we would fry this in nicely. The purpose for the spice is an all-purpose spice, and that is what I basically use. I wouldn't be adding any other spice because all the things I need are in there already. So it's to give it that aroma and that nice taste. Yeah, so we continue frying this for some time. The next step we are coming to do is to add our boiled fresh tomatoes. So you boil your fresh tomatoes, or you blend and boil your tomatoes. The reason for this is to prevent your stew from getting that tangy taste that raw tomatoes normally gives to stew. So when you boil your blended tomatoes, that tangy taste will not be there anymore. So that's a secret tip I am giving you. Yeah, so we add this to our pot and stir this in. Stir it in nicely. Our stew is boiling, so we'll be adding our pepper or chili. Mind you, you have to take your time so as not to pour too much, because too much will make the stew too spicy and you can't eat it. So you add to your taste and you stir it in as well. We'll now add our cube and some salt to taste. We are adding our salt now to the stew. Please guys, pardon the vapor. There was a lot of vapor coming out, blocking the camera, so please pardon the vapor. We'll proceed with adding our chicken stock. I steamed chicken and fried it off camera, so that is the stock that has been added to the stew, just to give it some spike. As our stew continues to boil, we'll proceed with adding the chicken. So that's the fried chicken in there. So we are going to allow the fried chicken to sit in the stew for some few minutes before we add our cabbage. This is to make it a little bit tender, and as well to get some of the stew inside it, like to get the stew inside it well. Yeah, if you know what I mean. Our cabbage is ready and well diced or sliced, and the next step is to add this to the pot and allow it to just do its work. Allow it to sit in there. Cover it nicely with the stew, stir it in, and allow it to just do its work. Guys, I'm holding the camera with one hand and the cabbage with another, so you can see the cabbage is passing through corners. It is trying to pass through corners, but we are not moved. Yeah, it must enter the pot. After adding the cabbage, you have to mix it with the stew very well. You mix it with the stew and let the stew cover the cabbage. After covering the cabbage up, we'll be adding some green pepper and onions. So that's the green pepper, or kwakoshito. That's how we call it in Ghana. My language, we call it boibisi. So we'll add the green pepper and onions to the stew and stir it in. You know, green pepper gives the stew that unique aroma. It's quite unique here. So our stew is basically done now, and you can see you can take this with rice, yam, and any dish of your choice. This stew is absolutely yummy, and I hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. I'll see you in my next one. My social media handles are in the description. Bye.